What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and about to do a ride along, but you already knew it because of the thumbnail. I am doing a ride along with this right here. This is Rayhaan's Aquatica. You know what? Rayhaan, y'all need to put names on the bottles because all of your bottles are coming out looking like this, just different color ways, and you don't know what it is. And none of them have the names of the fragrance on the bottles, like on the bottom or the top. It's just you got to remember what the bottle looks like. But anyway, we're gonna talk about that a little bit later. I'm gonna rock on out to this. It's supposed to be really hot today, so I'm a I'm gonna put this on kind of heavy. We're supposed to be getting like triple digits. I think it's supposed to get up to like 102 or something like that. We're in a heat wave right now. It's been hot the last couple of days. It's going to be hot the next couple of days. So we're going to see. So this might get burnt off a little early. Whew, goodness gracious. I'm talking too much and it's getting in my mouth. All right. So that's good. I'm going to get some on the side. And did I get my behind my ear? That's pretty much, that's a lot of spray. So, all right. So hopefully this will last. All right. So right now it is 7:20. Let's see if I can get that in. 7:20. And the temperature is 80 degrees. And it is 7:20. It's 7:20 in the morning. So if it's 80 degrees already, you know it's going to be a hot one. All right. Roll with me. Let's check it out. Let's see how this thing do. I'm so happy to get this in. This is a clone, but we're going to talk about it a little bit later. All right, let's get it. All right, hey. All right, I'm back in. Just doing a quick little checkup. It is now 9:24 and temperature is rising quickly. It is 88 degrees. Let's see if I can get that in. 88 degrees now. And it's like I said, it's supposed to get up to triple digits. I've been in the house most of the morning, so it's not, I can't really tell if it's a good sillage or if it's projecting or anything like that. I do feel like it's gotten closer to the skin, but that could be because I've gotten a little bit nose blind to it. But that opening, that fresh citrus and like coconut kind of vibe that when it started out in the beginning, that's kind of faded out. It's more of now like a sweet, fresh, yeah, just a sweet, fresh kind of vibe right now. So I'm gonna keep pushing and I'm gonna go out in a little bit and hopefully it'll get activated because like I said, I put a bunch of sprays on me. Once I go out into the sun, into the heat, whew, it may get activated. All right, keep rolling with me. Hey, what's going on, folks? I am doing a check-in and I am out in this heat. Oh my goodness. It is so hot today. Like, it's not just this hot, it's humid. So the heat index is high, the air quality is poor. It's a bad day today. But this fragrance, actually when I came outside, it felt like it just popped. Like it popped back on and it was it's not like jumping off my skin like crazy, but when I was inside it was I may have just gotten nose blind to it, but it was really muted. It was really close to the skin, and I still feel like it's close to the skin, but it's more alive than it was when I was in the air condition, if that makes any sense. Probably because, you know, my skin heated up and everything. So I'm gonna keep pushing it and see how it's gonna do. I'm getting ready to run into the gym and get a workout in, so I'm probably gonna end up sweating it all out completely, but we'll see. Maybe I'll do some filming in the gym maybe, and then actually after the gym I'll maybe do a wrap-up if it's completely gone. If it's not, I'll just do another checkup. Oh, I haven't told you guys the time it is. It's right now 11:04 and it is 93 degrees. I'm not sure if that's going to come in. 93 degrees. and it's a hot 93 degrees. It's not like, you know, like a dry, just regular 93. It's a humid, hot, heavy 93 degrees. Oh boy. All right, I'm rambling. Keep rolling with me, and I'll give it a check in a little bit. Hey, all right, folks. I am doing another check-in. I got a good workout in, and the gym was cool, but it's hot outside. I can't stress that enough. But it was hot outside, so I think the fragrance is pretty much gone. It's really close to the skin now. It kind of feels like, it smells like a skin scent. I can only smell it when I put my hand up to my elbow up to my nose, or my nose to my skin. That's the only time I can smell it. I can't really smell it like moving around or anything like that. So it's non-detectable unless someone is actually laying on top of me or maybe giving me a hug or something like that. So I would say that this is probably gone. I'm gonna still rock out to it for a little bit because I did spray this shirt. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of time. Once I get home, I probably will take the shirt off and relax a little bit and be some distance away from the shirt. So, and then I'll come back and see if I can still smell it, because it could be, you know, again, I'm just nose blind. But right now it is 124. Let's see if that's coming in. 124. And the temperature right now is 99 degrees. I'm not sure if that's coming through for you guys. It's 99 degrees. So it's, like I said again, it's hot, but it doesn't feel like it's 99 degrees. It feels like it's probably 110 or something like that because of the humidity. So all that being said, I am going to continue with this and keep rocking with it. And I'll give you a check-in a little bit. Keep rolling with it. Hey, okay, I am back in. Let's wrap this up. It's time to wrap this up. It's been a pretty nice day. Now, the thing is, with this fragrance, I probably should have sprayed a little bit more on my clothes, because on my clothes, it actually did pretty good. Oh, by the way, right now it is 4:48, but the fragrance died out a little while ago. It's 99, well, it's 100 degrees now. So the shirt that I had on was this shirt here. I could still smell it on the shirt, like especially where I sprayed it. Like on the neck part, I can smell it here, and it has this sweet and almost like a musk kind of like a sweet fresh musk with like like a floral, sweet, musky kind of vibe. It smells really, really good. Almost smells like a soap, like a high end soap that you take a bath or shower with. That's what it kind of smells like. So that's when I came home. I took the shirt off so I can see if it was still smelling, because I couldn't smell it when it was on me, and on my arms, on my skin, I can't smell it at all. So, all right, pretty good fragrance. Where's the fragrance? What do I do with the fragrance? Oh, here we go. Aquatica. It's a pretty good fragrance. So let's just jump into the notes. This fragrance came out just last year in 2025. So I think it was at the end of the year. So it's fairly new, and this is the perfect time to wear this. But today was a little hotter than normal. I think on a regular hot day, a regular summer or spring day, this would do really well. So jumping into the notes for Aquatica, the top notes are lime, coconut milk, bergamot, and mandarin. And then in the middle notes, we have sugarcane. Oh, that's probably where I was smelling the sweetness from. Sugarcane, jasmine, hibiscus, and gardenia. Ah, the gardenia is probably the floral that I was smelling. Okay. And then the base notes are rum, musk, tonka bean, and patchouli. And I smell pretty much all those things. The rum, I kind of picked that up like in the beginning. Like, this is such a really good fragrance. Now, when it first opens up, it starts out with this coconut kind of vacation vibe kind of feel to it. It smells like a drink that you have, an alcoholic drink that you would have sitting next to the pool or sitting next to the beach with your chair and your toes in the sand and everything. It smells really, really good. And look at this. This spray is almost pressurized. So yeah, it's like the coconut just comes through really, really strong. You smell the coconut and the lime, and right under it, you smell the rum. It smells really, really good. This is a really good fragrance. I'm digging it. And then as it dries down, it just gets this clean kind of floral, sweet floral kind of smell to it, with a little bit of musk, like a fresh musk. Almost when it dries down, it almost smells like a fabric softener that you may have used to wash your clothes, or maybe a high-end soap that you wash your body with. It smells really, really good all the way through, from the beginning to the end. And you can tell the difference from the opening, the top notes to the base notes. Smell amazing. Aquatica. And this is a clone, or it's supposed to be a clone. It's really close to it, of Creed's, not Silver Mountain Water, but it's a clone of Creed's Virgin Island Water. So it's a great fragrance. And I have another fragrance that's similar to it. It's the Tommy Bahama St. Bart's. And that one, to me, I sprayed it on recently, and it seemed like it was performing a lot better than it was before. Normally, when I sprayed it on, that fragrance would only give me like about 2 hours, and that's 2 hours with it being on a shirt or skin or anything. After that, it's completely gone. This one at least gave me about 4 to 5 hours. So I think if I really want to smell this all day, if I was going to wear it, I would spray it all over my clothes in addition to my skin. So just a word of advice: if you want it to last all day, just spray heavier. I think it would do pretty good, especially since I can still smell it on the shirt. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me with this ride along with Aquatica. I was so glad to get this fragrance. I'm glad I have it in my collection. This has been a really hot day, but you know, that's how it is in the summertime here in the DMV. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.